Hello, Ben. Hello, Ben. How was your day yesterday? How was your day yesterday?
My day was great. My day was great. I did a lot of things. I did a lot of things. It was a very active day. It was a very active day. And you? And you? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I also had a good day. I also had a good day. I did yoga in the park in the morning. I did yoga in the park in the morning. It was very relaxing. It was very relaxing.
That sounds great. That sounds great. I went for a run in the morning. I went for a run in the morning. Then I had breakfast with my family. Then I had breakfast with my family. We ate fresh buns with jam. We ate fresh buns with jam.
Delicious. Delicious. After yoga, I cleaned my house. After yoga, I cleaned my house. My room was a mess. My room was a mess. I had to sweep. I had to sweep. I put my yoga clothes in the laundry. I put my yoga clothes in the laundry. Finally, I took a relaxing shower. Finally, I took a relaxing shower.
Yes, I understand you. Yes, I understand you. Sometimes I don't have time to tidy up, and my room ends up a mess. Sometimes I don't have time to tidy up, and my room ends up a mess.
Exactly. Exactly. But now everything is fine again. But now everything is fine again. And you? What else did you do? And you? What else did you do?
In the afternoon, I went for a walk with my dog to the park. In the afternoon, I went for a walk with my dog to the park. We swam in the lake. We swam in the lake. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining, and it wasn't too hot. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining, and it wasn't too hot. My dog loved it. My dog loved it. Did you do anything in the afternoon? Did you do anything in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I baked an apple pie. In the afternoon, I baked an apple pie. It was the first time I tried the recipe. It was the first time I tried the recipe. It turned out delicious. It turned out delicious. Then I shared it with my neighbors. Then I shared it with my neighbors. We ate the cake in the garden. We ate the cake in the garden.
I bet the cake was delicious. I bet the cake was delicious. Did you make it by yourself? Did you make it by yourself?
Yes, I did it all by myself. Yes, I did it all by myself. It was fun, but also exhausting. It was fun, but also exhausting.
I believe you. I believe you. And what did you do in the evening? And what did you do in the evening?
In the evening, I had a barbecue with friends. In the evening, I had a barbecue with friends. We grilled sausages and vegetables, and it was delicious. We grilled sausages and vegetables, and it was delicious. Then we watched a movie. Then we watched a movie. It was a quiet night. It was a quiet night.
I also watched a movie. I also watched a movie. But I was so tired that I fell asleep. But I was so tired that I fell asleep.
I understand you. I understand you. Sometimes I'm so tired that I fall asleep in the cinema. Sometimes I'm so tired that I fall asleep in the cinema. And what will you do tomorrow, Ben? And what will you do tomorrow, Ben?
Tomorrow I'm going to play soccer with my brother. Tomorrow I'm going to play soccer with my brother. And you? What will you do? And you? What will you do?
Tomorrow morning I'm going to swim. Tomorrow morning I'm going to swim. And after that, I want to read a new book. And after that, I want to read a new book. Maybe I'll bake another cake. Maybe I'll bake another cake.
That sounds good. That sounds good. Maybe I'll stop by your house to try a piece. Maybe I'll stop by your house to try a piece.
You're always welcome, Ben. You're always welcome, Ben.
Do you want to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. Every Sunday a new video.